Namaste and a very warm welcome to all of you in my today's session. Today I am going to talk about the marmas of our neck. I will tell you all about three marmas. Number 1, the Shiramatrika marma. Number 2, the Nila marma. And number 3, the Manya marma. These marmas of our neck are extremely important. Have you ever wondered that why is it so that from all your body parts, when someone chooses to attack you in your neck, when someone throttles your neck or presses hard against your neck, that can cause an immediate death? Why is it so? The answer to this question lies in the Shiramatrika marma. Let us understand the location and the function of the Shiramatrika marma. The Shiramatrika marma are present over here. There are 8 Shiramatrika marmas. So this is the middle of my neck, right? And if I place 4 fingers of both my hands exactly over here, right? Over here. Then this is the point, these are the points of the Shiramatrika marma. You might have seen in movies when someone is trying to kill someone, they throttle their neck. That is, they apply pressure over here, exactly over here to all of these 8 points of the Shiramatrika marma. And why does it lead to sudden death? Because Shiramatrika marma is responsible for proper circulation to all our sense organs and our brain. It is responsible to carry oxygen, to carry nutrients, to carry blood circulation to all of these areas. Not only that, circulation is always a two-way process. So these marmas are responsible for carrying proper quantity of blood, oxygen and nutrients to these parts. And the second function is that whatever waste products are there, right, which are deposited by our sense organs or this area of our body, those they carry out to our excretory systems, right? So if the circulation stops, then what happens? All of these sense organs will stop working, our brain will stop working, our entire nervous system will stop working, and that is why it leads to immediate death. Right? So it is very important that we provide healing at the Shiramatrika marmas. The other 2 marmas I told you about are the Nila marma and the Manya marma. Let us understand the location. So the Manya marma lies over here, exactly over here. Alright? And the Nila marma lies below your Shiramatrika marma. So this is the point of the Nila marma. And then you have the Shiramatrika marmas. And then you have the Manya marma, right? I will show again. This is the point of the Nila marma. Then you have the Shiramatrika marmas, and then you have the Manya marma, right? Now don't worry if you can't understand exactly the location, like what is the exact location. Roughly also if you are understanding, that will also suffice. Why? Because when we do the healing of all of these marmas together, we do the healing of this entire area, right? Like this, we will do the healing. Like this. So we are applying proper pressure to all of these points over here, right? Like this. Another thing which you have to remember is the healing of these marmas of our neck is always done upwards. It is always done upwards, not downwards, right? So always remember that you have to do the healing upwards, and when you're doing the healing, you have to visualize all the significance and advantages. So when your hand reaches somewhere over here, you visualize that the Shiramatrika is getting activated and proper circulation is happening. Proper oxygen is reaching your eyes, nose, mouth, ears, everything, and the sharpness of your mind, the gray matter, the intelligence is increasing, right? So this is what you have to visualize. Now the Manya marma over here is related to all kinds of problems related to our mouth. Like many people suffer with this problem called dryness. They face a lot of dryness in their mouth. Then there are many people whose saliva is always dripping, right? There's some problem related to the salivary glands. So all that can be healed with the help of the Manya marma, right? Manya marma also helps in controlling our digestion and our intestines, and it also helps in solving speech related problems. So anything which is associated with your mouth can also be healed. Now, why did I say digestion and intestine? Because of your tongue. See, this marma is also related to your tongue, and it is said that your tongue, okay, all the points in your tongue actually relate to each of your organs below. So there is a relation to of the tongue with the stomach, with our digestion, with our intestines. So that is why I said that when you do the healing of the Manya Marma, it helps you solve the speech problems, it helps you solve in the salivary gland problems, and also problems of your tummy, of your digestion, your intestine and stomach, right? Now the Nila Marma over here, right, that is responsible for your thyroid problems. If you are having any kind of thyroid related disease or problems, that can be cured with the help of the Nila Marma, right? So another way to activate all of these marmas is by sitting at a meditative posture, in a meditative state of mind, and just practicing quietness, right? You must stay silent for at least 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes during your day. Just take out your time, and that time you just do the healing. Think about, just, you don't have to do anything, you just have to sit in a very relaxed and meditative posture, and you have to think that you're giving the healing to the Manya Marma, right? So when you exercise silence, that is when this Marma gets healed too, and it will help you in increasing your communication power, in improving your communication power. It will many a times what happens is the right words don't come out at the right time. So all of these problems can also be solved if you do the healing of the neck marmas. Not only that, any kind of stored anger which is there in your system, right? If you have been angry about certain things and it is being stored and accumulated in your system for a long time, that also gets associated to our throat chakra, and throat chakra is related to the Nila and the Manya marmas of our neck. So it will also help you in that area. So it is very important that you do the healing and you practice quietness, you practice silence, sitting silently, and just focusing on the health of these marmas, on improving the health of these marmas, right? So as far as the massage and the healing is concerned, again you have to do it in the cycles of 1, 3, 5 and 7 with all the powerful and impactful visualizations. So you always do it like this, right? Like this. So if you see, I'm going all the way from here, right, from this point, and I am healing all the points, right? So as long as the number of the marmas are concerned, there are 2 Manya marmas over here, there are 4 Shilamatrika marmas over here, and then there are 2 Nila marmas over here, right? And when you do the healing, you make sure that all the marmas, all the points are healed, right? Like this, right? With both the hands. So that was it. This was a quick demonstration video of all the neck marmas. So if you're having any kind of neck related problems, thyroid related problems, speech related problems, or problems related to proper circulation which controls your mind, your nervous system, all of your sense organs, then your go-to marmas are the neck marmas. So make sure that you regularly provide healing to these marmas. Today's session ends over here. Thank you everyone.